So if you saw the service video to this Skiptech TI4000, which were distributed from Kerno, no idea what angle that camera's on, the main issue, to be honest, was the fact it had a capacitor blow up in it, but somebody removed the evidence. So it was clear there's all the fur and fluff from a blown up capacitor, but finding it, so I had to open up one of my own sets to find out what that capacitor should be. I did not power a setup with that capacitor missing. So we've done about 5 capacitors. One of the complaints is that the channel display is dodgy on the, it dims when it uses more than 2 segments. So at the moment it's absolutely fine on the 10s. Units remains fine all the time. If we go to channel 8, of course the 10s are extinguished. But as we go up and we use more segments, as it draws more current, there's a brightness difference between the two. But they've changed the powers of capacitors. We've no circuits for these, so fact is it works, doesn't it? 40 uses 5, 40 uses 4 segments, 30 uses 5 segments. So there we go. But other than that, and I've got the receive down. It was about 3 microvolts. I've got it down to 0.28, so it's done very well. There was a Europe version of this, not available in the UK to my knowledge. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. I'll put my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
And this is an era when sets were really cheap and really nasty. This seems to work alright, but I have seen very rusty versions. I've seen a lot of these with duff displays. Tango 21. I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which is in use.
Excellent, thank you.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9.
Well, I'm surprised that's still open.
Yeah, me too. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Skiptech TI4000 and it's doing a full 4 watt output, and I am doing using a standard replacement mic. These radios from about 1989 over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problem.
Roger on that.
Alright, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Skiptech TI4000 on a standard replacement mic going 4 watts. The radio drawing 1.195 amps. Going to go on to low power. It's 430 milliwatts on this. It's not adjustable. It's a little bit high. Here we go. 54331. There we are. full power, over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power, bit noisy on low, but you were readable. And confession to make, I haven't pressed record on the other camera.
Right, shall we run with that again?
No, that's fine. The main camera hasn't been running.
Ah, right, okay. Are you able to start it from this point?
Yes, will do. Right, we're now recording. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger. We'll need to get the last mile, and that's the difficult bit.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsmith level crossing. Over. Yep.
Back to Unit N300 with its public address rewiring, but that's going to be a long-term thing. And tomorrow's repair video will be in Amstrad 900 boxed, and I said 900, not 901, the lesser model, but always